check. You have 2 times 9 plus 7. And we're checking to see that it's equal to the cubed root of minus 2. We have the cubed root of 18 plus 7. Checking to see that it's equal to 27 minus 2. 18 plus 7 is just 25, so we have the cubed root of 25 equals 27. So I don't even have to put that in my calculator to figure out if they're the same decimal because I know they're equivalent. So this is true. So my final answer is in fact the 9 that we got. So sometimes the cube root ones are actually because there's usually less factoring involved, and it's pretty straightforward in most cases. I think we only have 2 more examples and we're done with the notes for today. Alright, so next one. Took the steps out. I think you kind of have the idea. So for number 7, we have to get the 4 to the other side because we can't put it to the 4th root if it's on the left. So my first step is going to get rid of that 4 by putting it to the other side of 2k minus 5 equals negative 4. Next step, my index is 4, so I'm putting both sides to the 4th power. Take the 4th root, so I have 2k minus 5 equals, is anyone negative 4 to the 4th is 256, I think I heard it. Now I need to solve for k. So what would be that next step? Yep, add 5. So I get 2k equals 261. Divide both sides by 2. And what do you get for k? 130.5. We still have to check it, but we've never had a decimal before, so my assumption is it's not going to work. So we have the 4th root of 2 times 130.5 minus 5 plus 4. We have the 4th root of 265 plus 4 equals 0. 4th root of 256 plus 4. We'll end up with 4 plus 4. 8 does not, so that's false. Which means I don't get an answer to be disregarded. And it's Melissa's favorite null set. Number 5, you will not hit the null set. Okay, last one. And you will 100% have a question like this on the test. There are other on the test, but I know for a fact it looks like this one. And a lot of you, I've noticed in the past, get really scared when you use variables, and it freaks you out for whatever reason. But usually the variables are way simpler because there's less steps. So don't be freaked out. I'm going to rewrite this. Actually, I don't even have to. So I'm solving for L. That means this L up here I need to get all by itself. So I have an index of what over here? 2. So I put it to what power? Yeah, so I'm going to put z to the second power. And this whole right-hand side I'm going to put to the second power. Yep. So z squared equals L over c. And I'm looking for L, so how would I get the L by itself? Good, multiply both. So you end up with the c's canceling off over here, and L is just equal to squared. And that's your final answer. You don't have to check something like that. There's nothing you can check for. So the plan for right now, time is rough. I want you to work on your midpoint check and exit ticket. And then the ones that are at the bottom of this page, we're actually going to practice more next class on this because I feel like we need a little bit more time to have it sink in. And then hopefully section next class as well. But yeah, just work on your midpoint check and exit ticket. You'll have enough time to do that.